Hey, what's going on? Online Katawi is here again. Now I want to create a fake background for the video. Don't let me call it fake. Just say, let's say background. People call it fake background because it's not real. Because if you are shooting on what do you call it? You are shooting on if your room is not great, if the background color of your room or where you are shooting from is not cool, this is what you can do. So now we are going to use 3 free tools. All the tools we are going to use there is going to be free. But I did my own with Midjourney. I paid Midjourney $10 every month. But if you don't have $10 every month, now let's use, we can use Leonardo AI. So I have my Leonardo AI here. So you can sign up or log in, sign up with your Gmail account. Just click on Google and put your Gmail account and you are good to go. I have it, so I'm just going to enter my this thing now. Enter my Gmail account. So this is my Leonardo AI. Leonardo is going to give you 150 images per day to create. So this is so when you get there, when you sign up, you come to this is 150. So what I do is that I'll image generation. So you go to image generation, you type your prompt here. Let's say a study room with desk and few books. So I will generate 2. Then you just click generate and you wait for it to generate. Oh, this is I don't like this. No, I'm going to change the image dimension. But let's just see. See, this is a very cool one. This is a nice one. So let me change the image dimension. You come here, you click here, change the image direction to landscape. So it's going to take 5. So you click generate again. Click generate. Don't forget Leonardo AI. But the one I did, I use great. This is perfect. So what we're going to do now is to download. Let's download. You download one of them. Let me download this one. Click on here to download image. If you don't have money for Midjourney, another AI is equally good. So after that, then you go to another entirely free video editing software, which is CapCut. CapCut is made by the people that own TikTok. It's free. So that's why I'm going to say we are saying we are going to use 2 or 3 software, but today we are going to use only 2 software so that Leonardo AI to generate your background. You can do background of what do you call it? You can use background of the bedroom. You can create a bedroom. I love this, so I've downloaded it. Now let's go to CapCut. So go to CapCut. I think my CapCut, yeah. I've downloaded it on my Mac. You can use, if you are using Windows, you download it on your Windows also, or you can use the online version. But I prefer to use the one on. So it's opening. Now, just go and you record your video. But when you are recording your video, make sure you have light. If you don't have money for light, a lot of people, they complicate things. They said, I want to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to buy this camera, 150,000, 100 and 500,000 camera. You don't need all those ones. If you have your MacBook or your video or your, what do you call it, or your PC or your phone, a good phone. If you have a good phone, you are good to go. So what you need to do is just, you have various tools to make your things look professional. Yeah, we are here on CapCut. So what you need to do now, this is CapCut. So we create a new project. Click on create a new project. So you first import that background you created from the Leonardo AI. Click on this to import it. So you import it. After importing it, what you need to do is just to click here. Now this will be our background. This will be our background. Then you go and import your video that I've created somewhere. You go and have video that I've created. Let me import the video so that I'll put it on top. But first of all, make sure that if your video is 5 minutes, make sure you drag this until you have 5 minutes of it. So you drag it. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. So now you come back. After doing that, you come back to the beginning, so that when you are overlaying your video, you see the background. Now go and import your video. I have video that I want to import now. So you click on import again. CapCut is free. Click on import. Yeah. Now I have my 5-minute video. I have it. How many minutes is it? Okay. Yeah. I have this 5-minute video. So you import it. Now you just click here, it will put it on top, or undo. Let me undo it. You drag it and put it on top of. Make sure that you put it on top of the background. Then you now you click here, you come to this place, you click on remove background. Since we didn't put green screen at the back, you just click on auto remover. Click on auto remover, and it's processing it. Just wait for it to process. Now you can see the background has been removed. Can you see now? Simple. So you can adjust it the way you want. You can make it smaller. Or you can make it bigger. So after this, see.
Now let's read verse 46.
See? That's how to get yourself a great background for your YouTube video. So after that, you can now export it. Export it. But it's going to take long. At least it's going to take like, I cut off the video. It's going to take like 10 minutes. Depending on how long your video is, don't worry. You'll be seeing it that is good. So that's how to do it. Now you have your video edited with good background. Now you can increase this guy, then move it up a little bit. So whatever you do, you see, now you have a very great background for your video. So you can post. So you don't need to spend a lot of money on equipment and these things like that, or buying green screen. This is what you can do free of charge. You don't need to buy any equipment. You don't need to buy anything to shoot your video. If you don't have lights, if you don't shoot your video in the afternoon, face the window. That's what I do. I face the window so that I have the clear thing, and so with that you'll be able to export. You'll be able to cut out this thing. Then you export your video. You just click here and export it. So that is it. I hope you'll be able to use this. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, subscribe to my channel. I do IT stuff on my channel also. So thank you so much for watching to the end.